Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you know, we have started a tutorial series for pygame in Python. Today is the first lecture of doing some practical things in Python. We have opened our pygame IDE used to build any Python software. So we have started how, what, and when, where, why, all the things you would get here. First of all, the thing which is most important for pygame is the pygame module that we have installed in the previous lecture. So you just need to import here, import pygame. Pygame has been imported in our program now. So everything, every class, every object that is being designed for pygame is being included in our program, so we can use and utilize it in our program. So first of all, we have to initialize our pygame dot, how to do, pygame dot init. Okay, then after we have to quit our program. How? Just simply pygame dot quit. These three lines are most and they must be used. Now we can run our program and we will see nothing. As you saw, hello from the pygame community, there's been nothing output, nothing input, there's been nothing. So what we have to do is just we have to let's have a look what is our next goal. So we have to create a screen like this, a frame in which we would work with pygame. So we are going to create a variable name is, let's say, screen equals to pygame dot screen pygame dot display dot set mode. Okay, we need to insert a tuple in order to make it, let's say, 600 by 600. So the 600 is the width and 600 is the height of the window that we are going to create. So let's have a look. There you go, you saw it works. It's being disappeared. So I think so it's enough for this lecture. And I think if you want to remove this indentation error, just press Ctrl Alt and L. This will indent all the code in proper form. So it's been quite enough for this lecture. Goodbye and see you in the next lecture.